Hey, this is welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is an air inflator or tire inflator. You can see the one that we got here is from this brand, and here's basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. So first let's open this up to show you guys what the product looks like inside. Alright, so when you guys first open up, there's a box inside a box. So let's take it out first. Alright, so once you guys take out the box, this is what the package looks like inside. So right here I show you guys the actual product, and we do have the brand logo. If you guys turn this side, they do provide guys some specs and features on here. So they mentioned how it actually has a built-in light option that you can use as a flashlight. It has a built-in battery inside, so that way you can use it wireless. It has strong power. It's super lightweight and it is multi-purpose. So you can see how they provide guys all different heads on here for different situations. And if you guys turn to the other side, they also provide guys some more information as well. So they have different modes all preset for you guys depending on what you guys are using it for. So there's a ball mode, there's a bike mode, a motorcycle mode, car mode, and a manual mode. And they have it available in different measurements as well. And in the back they do provide guys instruction to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. It's very easy and very simple. So that is everything that's outside the package. Now let's open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, inside right here they do provide a little protective cover. And right underneath that we do have the actual product. So we're going to take it out. Once you guys take that out, there is some more stuff inside. So inside right here they do provide a little bag to hold the actual product. And inside the bag they do give you guys a little bag inside where you can store like the cables and all the accessories right here to keep it all organized, which is pretty cool. And then right underneath that they do provide guys some more accessories of different heads. So here is the first one. If you guys open this up, here we have the second one, here we have the third one, and then right here we do have the USB to USB-C cable, so definitely use that to recharge the product. And right here we see they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set up product and how to use it. And then that is basically everything that's included in the product. So now let's take a look at the actual product right here. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So I'm assuming for the top part right here is the display screen. Right here we do have the brand logo. Bottom part right here we do have the button controls. And for top part right here, I believe it's like the flashlight option. And then right here, we do have the little hole for you guys to insert the head that you want to use. On the side right here, and this side as well, I'm assuming that is like the air ventilation option to prevent it from overheating when you guys do use it. And then the bottom part right here is where you plug in the cable to actually recharge the actual product. And if you guys notice the way how they designed the product on this side, and also on this side, it actually has this very nice material on here to give you guys a good grip when you guys actually use it. So it won't slide off as easy compared to this side right here. And if you guys notice the product, it is pretty small and compact, so that way you can bring it along with you guys anywhere, especially if you guys are using it outdoor or when you guys are traveling. And then obviously if it's the first time using the product, you guys can peel this part out, and it is all set. So before I should test out the product, let me just plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it. So right here I do have the cable. If you guys plug it in, once you guys plug it in, you can see it show you guys the battery percentage that's on here. So right now it's around like halfway full, so it's not fully charged yet. But if you guys try to turn it on, it won't turn on. But once you guys unplug it, if you guys try to turn it on again, it does turn on. So you see the product definitely does work if you guys want to use it wireless. So if you guys want to turn on the flashlight option, you guys want to press on this button. So if you guys press on it one time, that will turn it on. If you guys press on it again, it goes on to like an SOS mode light. If you guys press again, it goes to like a different flashing light option. If you guys press again, it turns off. And then when you guys turn on the product, if you can see the light on here is pretty bright, but it's not like super bright compared to a lot of other flashlights out there in the market today, but it's actually pretty good as an emergency light. And supposedly for the product, they do mention how it has an auto shut off option. So I'm assuming once you guys preset the product to a certain level, once it reaches that level, it will turn off by itself. But I'm gonna see right here, show you guys the number, the battery life, and it's showing you guys PSI. If you guys press on this button, you guys can change the different mode that's on here. And you do have the option to increase or lower it by pressing the plus and minus. So just like this. So very easy and very simple for you guys to use it. And I'm assuming once you guys are ready to use it, you guys can press the middle button one time. If you guys press again, it'll turn off. So in here the product is actually pretty loud when you guys do use it. But depending on what you guys are using it for, you want to select the correct mode on here. So right now we have it in the bike mode. If you guys press on this button, now you guys have it in car mode. Press it again. This will look like a motorcycle option. If you guys press again, now we have it in the ball mode. If you guys press again, this is the manual mode. Press it one more time, and it goes back to the bike mode. And obviously before you guys use the product, you want to let it fully charge first before you guys use it. But once you guys are ready to use it, you basically want to screw it on. Just like that, and it's all set. But if you guys want to bend it or if you guys want to extend it, you probably want to use this accessory right here to make it even longer. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's go test it out to show you guys how the product works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so we got the product right here. Let me show you guys how it works. So basically want to twist this part out. And you guys want to select the mode that it's using. So in this case we're using car. Then change the setting on here to whatever you guys want. So if you guys want it higher or lower, you guys can change it based on your own preference. And you also have the option to change the light on here as well. So if you guys want to turn it on, that way you can see where you guys are using it. But basically what I want to do right now is insert this in. Alright, so we got everything all set up. Let's test it out. Alright, so see how it turns out by itself once it reaches to wherever you guys set. So that is basically how you guys use it. Very easy and very simple. Welcome back, guys. So nice little quick test of the product, definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So you see when we use the product to inflate our tires, it definitely works pretty well. It is pretty loud when you guys do use it, but it actually does work. But like I mentioned, for this product, it does allow you guys to use it for many type of wheels. Whether you guys want to inflate like your bike wheels, your balls, your car wheels, or anything else. However you guys want to use it, that is up to you guys. But eventually it definitely does work. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now the end question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys want to get like a portable tire inflator or air inflator. So that way you guys have something to inflate your car tire, your wheels, or anything else as an emergency. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.